Roy here with another video, and today I want to show you one of the ways that you can stay a little safer when you're out here navigating the World Wide Web, and that is by doing a reverse image search. I'm going to show you how to do it on a cell phone, and this is going to be identical process on a desktop. But a lot of folks, when they're online, when they're chatting, they're probably going to be on their cell phone, so I figured showing it on a cell phone would be the best way to show you how to do that. All right, and basically the steps are you're going to want to go to images.google.com. Doesn't matter what browser you're on, doesn't have to be on Chrome. If you're on a mobile device, you need to switch to the desktop site because it doesn't work on the mobile site. And then to the far right, you're going to click the little camera. You're going to upload the picture. So if there's a picture that somebody sent you, you need to download it to your phone first. Okay, you're going to upload the picture and then tell Google to search for similar pictures. All right, and it's going to search for similar pictures and find them. This is a way that you can tell if somebody is lying to you, if you're sending them, if they have sent you a picture that is supposedly of them, but it really isn't. It's somewhere else off the internet. Another thing to be very, very aware of as you're online is AI pictures. Look for stuff that doesn't look to be quite real. If there's more fingers or less fingers, that's a pretty telltale sign of AI. If they're holding a paper, if the paper is completely white, like AI generated or computer generated, there's no lines, there's no wrinkles. The handwriting, if the handwriting is too perfect, too evenly spaced, it doesn't look like somebody actually wrote it. Stuff like that. Things in the background a little blurry. Look at if there's people in the background or if there's objects in the background, look at them. AI has to kind of change stuff just a little bit for copyright purposes, and or sometimes it just doesn't get stuff right. So look for anything that kind of stands out as not quite perfect. And it could be that they sent you an AI picture as well. And just general rule of thumb, if you're talking to somebody and whatever they want you to do is super urgent, like they need it right now, if somebody's life's in danger, something super important, they have a relative, whatever, they'll come up with a sob story, right? And they'll make it super important, super urgent for you to do something. Anytime somebody is in a hurry like that, it is for their benefit, not yours. They're not your family. They're not related to you. It's not your responsibility to bail them out. Don't give anybody your personal identifiable information. Don't give them money. Don't give them your phone number. Don't give them your social. Don't give them any kind of information. Okay? Just keep it light out there and make sure that it is a real person and keep yourself safe. All right? Without further ado, here's the video. Hope you enjoy it. How to do a reverse image search on Google. And this is very helpful if you're talking to people online and they send you a supposed picture of themselves. And if you're not aware, if it looks too good, if the lighting's too good, stuff like that, it could be that they stole it from somebody's Instagram or somewhere else on the internet. And doing a reverse search will help you to determine if this person is being real or not, or if they're lying to you. So keep yourself safe out there. All right, so what you want to do, and I'm on Edge browser, I'm not even on Chrome, but you're going to want to go to images, oops, if I could spell it, eh? Images.google.com, okay? And you have to be on the desktop site. I'm on a phone, so mine's actually on the desktop site, so I'm going to go to the mobile site because this is how it normally pops up, okay? So this is the mobile site. You need to switch it to desktop. So what I'm going to do is come down to the three little bars right there, and I'm going to come and look for View Desktop Site. And this will be similar on other browsers. Just look for a way to switch it to desktop, okay? Go to the desktop site, and I know stuff gets kind of small, so we're going to really carefully, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, but over on the right of the search bar, see, this is the search bar right here, all right? To the right of the search bar, this little camera right here, this is what you're looking for, okay? So we're going to do this camera, and I'm actually going to show you an image that was sent to me by an individual claiming to be a picture of them, and it ended up being a model on Instagram. So it's a really good example. All right, so there's the camera. What you're going to want to do is choose upload a file, okay? Upload a file, and this picture right here, okay? So you see when I search for that picture, then I got somebody's Instagram right here, okay? So then you're going to want to tap on that. You can go see, visit the site. and you can see, you know, oh my goodness, that's actually a real person. You know, they have 3 point something million followers. There's no way the individual I was talking to that was claiming to be this person is this person. And this particular picture that they took, that they were, you know, trying to intimidate or impersonate, was actually taken in March of this year. But anyways, so very, very handy. And now I want to show you what it looks like if the picture is legitimate. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture of myself real quick. So we'll switch it to my camera, switch it to me. Here's my face. Hi guys. Okay, so smiles. Oop, I have a timer on. Let's turn the timer off. No timer. Okay. All right, there's a quick picture of me. Now let's go do the same thing. Shoot back here to images.google.com. Same thing, we're going to grab the little camera, we're going to upload a file, and we're going to use this one of me. Alright, so see, what it found was my shirt. Hey look, there's where I can get the same shirt that I'm wearing, but see, and then see how the box kind of changed, but let's just make the box big again and say, hey, search for this whole image. So in this whole image, or maybe just my face, right? Okay, search for this bald guy. Right there. No response, no matches. So that's a legitimate picture, you know, and hey, it was just taken today, so that makes sense. And I'll show you how to do this on a desktop. Well, actually, I don't really think there's a need because it's the same thing, you know, upload a file and whatever, put it on there. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.